Alright, hello everyone, welcome to our daily technical analysis Thursday 29th of December. Okay, just before New Year's weekend here, what do we have with the currency pairs? Let's take a look now. This is the dollar franc. Yesterday I did mention dollar franc had the potential to go up if it broke out, and it did go up a little bit. As you can see, from here to here, there was about 28-30 pips move up before it moved down. Now, this brings us to this, making this a channel. Okay, kind of there. So what we're going to do with the dollar franc now, remember the dollar franc is going up. It's in an upwards trend, and when we have an up move trend, what normally happens is the market takes a bit of a breather, and this rectangle formation is a breather situation. So the market will want to go back up, but where from? From within this triangle here, okay, in this region here. So either from the support or from around here, the market will want to start trotting up somewhere. Okay, let me just draw that line there. That's that, and that's that. So a possibility of this is the first area and this is the second area where the market will pop down in order to go back up again. And it's those moments that we're really waiting for, simply because when the market comes back down, we want to carry on with the up move and buy on the support levels. That's dollar franc. Pound dollar yesterday, I did mention if it breaks this level, we'll see it up here. It broke it. Now, as you can see, this is like a goodbye kiss area. So what do we really want to do with that is a good question. So what we can do now is this, make a little adjustment. And what we can do is, let's see. So as you can see, the market stalling here is reasonable. And what we'll want to do with the pound dollar, yeah, that's a good area. So from around here to here, we'll have to wait for sell positions. Let's just see. There we go. Okay, so this is a resistance area. One last area where we can sell, is going to be up here. So either here or here the market will start shorting it down again. So either way I think it's good. The break down, the move up to retest it. So from here we could see the market going back down again. So that's a good move. Euro dollar, same. Look what happened yesterday. I did mention it could fall from here or here. It just fell all the way down here. Now the market has picked it up, and we can actually do this. We can straighten this out a little bit. Okay, and now what we might see, the market falling back down again. That shouldn't surprise us. So we're looking for sell moves, and that's going to be a resistance area. So a sell below this triangle again will push the market down. Dollar Canadian daily. Now finally this double top and a pullback. This is what we have been waiting for. So hopefully the dollar CAD should kind of pull back to around here. Okay, that's a goodbye kiss. Let it come back, let the indicators kind of roll back, and then we'll see this go up. Aussie dollar, now we have to find some kind of a formation here, and this looks like the formation we'll be looking at. So there you go. In fact, I'll get rid of this. Okay, so here's our channel. That we can get rid of. This we can get rid of. And this is going to be our kind of zone, our playground area. As you can see, there are two levels here. One there and one here. So if the market goes slightly above, okay, sell point and sell point, but what we are expecting is the market to carry on with the downtrend. Dollar yen, beautiful pullback. Finally, we were expecting the market to pull back the other day. I think I drew it on this video. There you go. Finally, I was like kind of thinking, why isn't this not pulling back? And it did finally pull back, which is a good thing for us. So hopefully it'll pull back a little bit more, because then, like the dollar CAD, the dollar franc, what we're going to do is we're going to wait in order to buy this. So this new channel that's happening is very good. We're going to want to go long from these levels back up again. Dollars are now, dollars are yesterday I said if it broke this red line, we in fact had this on the blog that this was the resistance. And I said, you know, if it breaks this, it's good to go up, but it didn't, just went straight down. So no loss of love there for the dollars are, and that means that this is going to come probably to around this level, and the first level of support that we're going to get is going to be there, and that's where it is. So any breakdown will take it to here. This is now kind of irrelevant for us. What we're going to do now is just sit and wait on that. Okay, but the dollars are should be looking to pick up to go back up again. In fact, what you can do, let's see what we can do. Both sides, let's do this. Just adjust our line a little bit. Yeah, so you can still wait. If the market kind of goes sideways and then breaks above this, then you can go long as well. That's also an option. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, yesterday it was in the middle of the range, so we drew this line. I said if it breaks down it will go long, but it didn't. It broke kind of up. Is this break upwards a good thing? Let's see. We're going to have to make a change. Now this break up can go a bit more. To where is the question, and I'll tell you where right now. Just do a bit of technical analysis around there. Okay, there's not a lot of room to go back up until they start selling again. So what you want to do with the gold is this. If it raises its head up to around here, be shorting it again. I think with gold I want to go short. I'm going to follow this short now all the way to 1050 region. Brent, you know, not much to say with the Brent. As you know, I'm expecting this level. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's just get rid of these. Okay, so I am expecting the market to kind of get up there. Let's get rid of this. And so there's really not much to talk about. If you're following this up, what you need to do is just move your stop loss under there and just follow it through. If it does go sour, you'll still be in profit. Let's take a look at DAX. DAX, as you can see, touched our blue line here. I did have this 11,500. Yesterday we talked about 11,500, and as you can see, the market was just below that. Okay, it hasn't really touched the 11,500. It's just below it. I think it still has room to pop up to test 11,500. As you can see, the market is very slow with the new year as well, so possibly when it moves there, it's going to start retracing back. If it doesn't, this is what will happen. The market will kind of side trade and the indicators will come down, and then it'll go up again. So either way, if you're trading it, be careful. Dow Jones, let's see what the Dow. Also with the Dow, maybe a pullback in order to hit up again. This is still for me a relevant region, 20,000 region. It should come and test 20,000. It's going to be a hot spot, and if it is a hot spot, why not take it? Do you know what I mean? So here we are. That's the 20 region there. It might just touch it there, but from before, you know that we have these channel lines coming from before. Unfortunately, not enough data to check it out on our charts at the moment, but I had drawn them before. Well, maybe we'll just have to kind of renew ourselves since the data is not there. Let's just, okay. Okay, there we go. It's the Dow there. So 20,000 region. It's going to be about there. Okay, so that's the hot spot there, but can easily make it slightly higher as well. And let's take a look at one last thing, and that's the JSE, because I know there are a lot of people on this, and we had an analysis done on this before. Let's just get rid of these. Okay, there we go. Now this is the JSE. Also on this possible retracement, what you want to be looking at here is, let's do this. Is a possible pullback and start the market, and the market can probably start to retrace back a little bit. Let's check out the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, as you can see, the market's peeping up a little bit. At the end of the day, it's a sideways market, so what you'll want to do is just mark those levels where the market can pop its head up to, and from there, for example, now we've got this breakout here, a nice little move up here is on the cards, and then the market might just sell it off again. So from around here, and in fact I can bring this down, this region would be a sell zone for us if you're trading the JSE, and just keep your trading within the range of the sideways movement. Okay, as you can see here. Alright, no real trend up and down, just sideways. So tops, resistance levels are places to sell, support levels are places to buy, and you need to play it in between that range. All the best, have a great day, and if you don't watch our video tomorrow as well, have a great new year. All the best.